Are you looking to integrate teamwork.com with Slack but aren't sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to easily integrate Teamwork with Slack and why it's a game changer for your team's workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up, streamline communication, and take full advantage of these tools. Before we dive in, make sure to check the first link below to grab an exclusive extended free trial of teamwork.com. No strings attached. You'll get extra bonuses just for watching. Now, let's get into it. Teamwork.com is a powerful project management tool that lets you track tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team. Slack, on the other hand, is one of the most popular team communication platforms out there. Integrating them can massively improve your productivity, allowing you to centralize your work and communication. First things first, you'll need both a Teamwork account and a Slack account. Once you've signed up for Teamwork.com, head to the Teamwork integrations page. You can find it under the Apps section, which is where all your integration options are. From there, search for the Slack integration. Click on the Slack icon to start the process. You'll be prompted to log into your Slack account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll be asked to authorize Teamwork to connect with your Slack workspace. This step is pretty simple. Just click Allow, and Teamwork will be connected to your Slack account. Next, you'll choose the Slack channel where you want to send your Teamwork updates. For example, you can create a new channel in Slack dedicated to project updates, or choose an existing one. Once the integration is complete, you'll start receiving notifications about your tasks and project updates directly in Slack. This is where it gets powerful. You can receive task notifications, project updates, and even comments directly in your chosen Slack channel. No need to constantly check your Teamwork account. Slack will keep you informed in real time, allowing you to stay focused without losing track of important updates. You can also use Slack commands to create tasks directly in Teamwork without leaving the app. Just type in a command like Teamwork create task, and it will guide you through creating a task right from Slack. If you manage multiple projects or large teams, this integration is essential for staying on top of everything. You'll be able to quickly check status updates, ask for feedback, and communicate with your team without jumping between apps. Everything stays streamlined in Slack, and you never miss a beat with Teamwork updates. One important thing to note, this integration is fully customizable. You can set preferences for the type of notifications you want to receive in Slack. Want to be alerted about completed tasks? Or maybe just new comments on a task? You can choose exactly what updates you care about. Now here's a bonus tip. With Teamwork and Slack integrated, you can use Slack's built-in search to quickly find tasks and projects without ever opening teamwork.com. It's all searchable within Slack, making it even easier to get things done without jumping around. To wrap up, integrating teamwork.com with Slack is straightforward and highly effective for boosting productivity. By streamlining communication and task management, your team can work more efficiently and stay on top of everything in real time. Remember, you can get this powerful integration for free using the link in the description below, along with our exclusive bonus offer. Don't miss out on this extended free trial. Check it out now and see how teamwork.com and Slack can take your workflow to the next level.